I'm Katie Muslin. I'm Dr. Sam Muslin's youngest daughter. Myself and my two older sisters have both had facelift dentistry. What I personally like the most about it is the way it makes me feel. It is the first thing that people tend to notice. They tend to say, "I love your smile," which is a great thing, but really it's the use of it. I'm able to engage, enjoy, and communicate the good feelings that I have. I'm not afraid of my smile. I'm excited about it. I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to say hello to people and have family vacations and pose for photos. That being said, I've also suffered from migraines and some jaw cramping and a lot of grinding over the years. But once the kinks kind of worked itself out over a week or two, everything just sort of settled into perfect. It just felt great. I was able to chew and eat normally. The headaches were gone. No jaw cramping. I don't find myself grinding and things like that at night because it's hard to do when you've been completely optimized into the correct position. It is a game changer.